Aloha Luminous beings, my name is Ratika. Today we will be discussing our top 3 picks for yoga and pregnancy poses. The first pose that we recommend for pregnancy is cat-cow. The reason that we recommend cat-cow is because it allows your spine to concave and round to reach your deep abdominal muscles. Another reason we recommend cat-cow is because it allows your spine to stretch. The second pose that we recommend for pregnancy is butterfly pose. Butterfly pose is beneficial because it allows you to stretch deep within your hip flexors, and it also aligns your pelvic girdle while strengthening the pelvic floor, which is a huge benefit in assisting with pregnancy. The third pose that we recommend for pregnancy is chair pose. Chair pose is beneficial because when you are getting into the pose, you are going down as though you are going to be seated into a chair. Your arms are stretched up, and this allows you to strengthen your quadriceps and your hamstrings. Namaste, luminous beings. We hope that you have enjoyed these poses and let your light shine.